Many users of Windows 10 wish to stop automatic updates for many reasons. In fact, it run in the background and consume processing power or internet data for user with limited data. If a user is doing intensive work, it may cause the computer to freeze. If you want to disable it, here is the effective 3 ways. First, type Services in Windows search button. Open Services app. Scroll down and open Windows Update. Select Startup Type and click Disable. Move to Recovery tab, select Take No Action and Reset Fail 0 days. Click OK. Next, back to Windows Search and type GPEdit. Click Group Edit Policy. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, select Windows Update. Disable Recommended Update via Automatic Update. Disable Automatic Update Detection Frequency. Next, click Enable for Don't Connect to any Windows Update location. The last step. In the search box Windows, type Task Scheduler. Expand Microsoft folder, select Windows, then Windows Update. In the right pane, disable all items of Task Scheduler. Next, scroll up and find Update Orchestrator. In the right pane, disable all those items. Finally, to limit consumption of Wi-Fi data, you can set it as metered connection. Thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe to this channel.